Hey guys, so here I am making our recent obsession. That would be sweet potato french fries. I actually made a more like cube size, but then whenever I did that, they all got burnt, so I made them french fry style this time. And then you got to put foil on the pan. Of course, I did not grab the right amount of foil. I never fucking do. After that, you need to put the french fry things on the pan, and you want to put them in a single layer. Very important. Season them however you would like. 425, I do them for about 30 minutes, and every 10 minutes you do want to move them around and flip them, and then they're all done. We ate it with some steak bites, and it was amazing. Here's the recipe so you can screenshot it. 425, cook for about 25 to 35 minutes, flip every 10 to 15 minutes.